Yakubu akwa kansem amana no abeyinika. Ewom so be patch your but Ghana for say there be Yakubu. Won se na kan ya no ento yetrim ensim yetrim entri DJ switch Ghana. Ono Ghana for ni be kirem say ade a Yakubu aye no ensem a waka no. E wo se o resign. Yakubu must resign. Omu abeyika omu adwen ache after say Yakubu edi a chawpa ebre Ghana for. Aha Penyah block media mesra say ni di mo. Obe like video no da ma bro subscribe button tabe click notification icon of latest updates. Ambe chere wa adwen da ma me. E wo comment section. Oba so a no wa for enya bia hwe. No make amfo nara money say na pena de ama. O USA, o UK. Opezo say niska e de be fia sumdwe mu to Ghana and any other African country. Eye nala ana me kamfo edema. From promo code Penyah TV say niska. No be chew $20 amazing for free. O Sunday ya na skena durufie. Na nara for so no a chew $20. Omu transactions no very very fast. We track your app no on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Let's go to the story. N0NS ana me brother catch us last week mo member of parliament for Hafano Southeast constituency. Honorable Yakubu Mohammed okopie mu ewo northern region Tamale honomo. Oni the colleagues of member of parliament for Tamale honomo no eko Sagnarugu na hono eno go pie school a yato the Citadel school no nursery to primary school. Na honomo no ana say na omu kwa shem kura ni nkura kotutu omufo ana honorable made an unfortunate comment to one of the girl childs over there.
Standing here as an MP is one of the dreams that we've worked for. Like he said, in fact, what's your name? Huh? Okay, you're very beautiful. When you grow up, I'll marry you. So, she's my wife. She in future, she will also be an MP. And all of you as well will be somebody in future. I wish you the best and always continue to support your MP. They've said a lot about your MP. I always see him as one of the gifts that Ghana have.
My video find yourself on the internet. Buy it. Let's have focus. Honorable pa. Say. Yeah, we Ghana had me in the so how pedophile. They say yes, sexualizing and crank to yenim bibia. Ye bomodi se betu ase. You will protect the freedom, the dignity of a girl child in school. Now honorable moi. Member of parliament, I was sua Ghana mbra, unim de mbra ne ka, efa bibi se una okohu akra ketua, ye do akọ school say call lecture, go and lecture them. Mo waka nkura hyensem kyerem kura na wo kwasi akra de pe. Eti media de so de attack started by
Greetings, Right Honorable Alban Bagbin, Speaker of Parliament Ghana. Mr. Speaker, Parliament must act now and not tomorrow, because the Member of Parliament of Ahafo Ano Southeast on the ticket of the NDC, Yakubu Mohammed, because he doesn't deserve the honorable title, on national television, out of the lot of primary school children, pinpointed a young girl and said his words, "You are beautiful. When you grow up, I will marry you. She is my wife." Mr. Speaker, this is not a joke. This is very disturbing. This is inappropriate. Coming from the mouth of a member of parliament, somebody who has been entrusted by a whole constituency in Ghana with public office. Mr. Speaker, Yakubu Mohammed, NDC MP for Ahafo Ano Southeast, he's a pedophile. Because if he's not, out of the lot, he wouldn't have been able to pinpoint that little girl who doesn't even have breast. Mr. Speaker, Parliament must act now. Nobody is above the law, including the lawmakers. If this statement had been said by an ordinary man, by now, the law would have taken it full course. Yakubu Mohammed should also face the full rigors of the law, including expulsion from Parliament, because he doesn't deserve to be a lawmaker. A lawmaker who cannot protect children, who is a threat to children, should not be a lawmaker. He should face expulsion from parliament, and he should face jail time as well, because he's a threat to the kids in Ghana. Mr. Speaker, Parliament must act now. And also NDC, you guys should expel Yakubu Mohammed, because if you don't, he will disgrace your party.
And I'm so I'm gonna book. I said, I don't care the man can ye. You thought a chop a buy. I'm a trouble for 10. Every trim say, oh, and some kind of idea, or you tum to I am from so. But I got a mosi for any that go for a teddy, and a man a pass that comment. But Osre Ghana for Mfanche, Emma or the chopper we by Emma Sako PMO, Ewa GH1 TV so. In interview with one of the hosts, a honor, Osade a chopper verbally, corner one written, but Osade ora verbally, Osade a chopper every Ghana for.
Well, hold on. I'm sure we'll definitely give you some time to apologize, but I need to understand what really happened. You're saying that this issue happened a week ago.
Yeah, the day of the media review.
And with your explanation, with this explanation you're giving me, my understanding is that it was a joke.
Complete. It was a joke between Moses and Dagombes. Anybody who understands the tradition of Moses and Dagombes, wherever we meet, we joke. As we speak, even if I go to the Yanas Palace today, and I go there, any Dagomba man who sees me, the first thing they will see will create jokes. I can even go and pull his beard and all of that. Every Mosi man and a Dagomba man understands this. Aside everything, it's something we do.
But as a member of parliament, with your level of exposure and your level of understanding of how the system works now, why did it have to take you a week for a backlash should happen for you to perhaps reflect and see that maybe the statement you made may have been inappropriate, even if you thought it was a joke, because that's your intention?
Personally, aside that day, it's just this morning, I am seeing the video. And like you said, because of that, I have issued an apology. I'm going to send it because I'm just seeing it this morning. And I take full responsibility because it's a minor. And aside all the cultural jokes, my position as a member of parliament should supersede my heritage or my cultural decisions. It's a decision that I think is unfortunate, quite unfortunate. I would not even want to defend this. It's a lesson that I've learned, and going forward, I'm sure some of these things will be more careful, because you grow up getting used to certain things, and you get to a position you need to understand that things have changed. So it's something that I feel it didn't happen well. I don't want to defend this.
You sound quite remorseful, but before you go, I want to find out if you've been able to, I don't know if there's a way you could reach the girl and her family to perhaps offer an apology. I mean, you have intentions of rendering an apology, but maybe you want to make it personal and get to the family of this girl in question. Do you have plans of doing that?
Yeah, so I've decided to call the MP, because these are students from Sanarigo. I have decided to call the MP and probably get trips to the school, and possibly if I'll be able to reach the parents and probably do the right. Though,
okay,
like I said, this is unfortunate. This is not something that I would even want to defend at any point. It's a minor. And it's quite unfortunate.
Ana ko benza Ghana for akom atom ba say na busia eto ntwae afa kura na nsem na eya amanfo ahi just na chopper ni mu kura no afa na tun ban bi say akoma eyi o mabufu DJ Switch Ghana on DJ Switch talented kids no Twene Jonas me woman say na boy Twene Jonas man go pia breach because na okoye program boy USA na that time Twene Jonas eya the cameraman Etonko piwa na unu ayi tag. Udi adwane. Twene years over Ghana have you. No I do copy over USA. I know more hard ya copy krata you say. She said to you na say ho na be all to da ebe feel but enye no was when they can have. DJs with Ghana. And then some of the Ghanaians even said there be. Ade ona boaye no. As mranim for our Ghana parliament. Mo na mo hyemra. Unim de mra de ka. Unim de Ghana mra tia de ye try say ye beto ase afie community mu. Na say a whole MP. Wouldn't say we be can catch us our brother Woodia. A total nonsense. It DJ with Ghana. Any Ghana for be just said there be. Ade MP na ye no. I will say or resign. O mo nyine dibre enfri ni nsem.
I am genuinely disgusted. A grown man, a member of parliament, someone entrusted with leadership, looked at the little girl, a child, and said,
What's your name? Huh? Okay. You're very beautiful. When you grow up, I'll marry you. So, she's my wife. Huh? She, in future, she will also be an MP.
This is Mr. Yakubu Mohammed, a Ghanaian member of parliament, the equivalent of a U.S. congressman. Yeah, you heard me right, a member of parliament. That's not funny. That's not charming. That is not African humor. That is completely inappropriate. The fact that some people are laughing is exactly the problem. You see, we have become so desensitized to adults making romantic comments about children that we have convinced ourselves that it's a joke. Nah, children are not the punchlines for such jokes. They're not your future spouses. Children are not objects for adults to be making romantic or flirtatious comments about. They're children. Oh, and I know there's somebody that watched that video or is watching this video that's saying, he didn't mean it like that. It was just a joke. Before you make such ignorant comments, let me ask you this. Why is marriage, even as a joke, the first thing that comes into the mind of an adult when speaking to a little girl? Why are we so comfortable putting children in imaginary romantic relationships with adults? Why is that acceptable? Listen, this isn't about political correctness. It's about protecting children and respecting their innocence. And let's stop pretending this is something only men do. Women do it too. I've heard adults tell little boys that they will have girlfriends lined up. I've heard adults reserve children for someone's son or daughter. And I've literally heard families joke about babies dating each other. We've normalized language that places children into adult relationships before they're even old enough to understand what those relationships mean. Enough is enough. Abba. And you know, I've experienced this personally, and I still do. I have adults in my comment section counting down to the day I become ripe. As if my childhood was just a waiting room for their attraction. You can't sit anywhere and confidently tell me that's admiration. That's disturbing. As a matter of fact, let's call a spade a spade. That's pedophilic. We have to stop excusing this behavior just because someone smiled while saying it. And so to the Parliament of the Republic of Ghana, I ask, what accountability exists when one of your own has publicly made such inappropriate remarks towards a child? And what accountability exists when adults continuously leave sexualizing and predatory comments under the videos of children and young people every single day? Because from my experience with reporting one of these comments to the Cybersecurity Authority of Ghana, nothing changed. Charlie, these acts must stop.
All right, so that is Honorable Yakubu Kwabena and Yekoti no Yakubu Mohammed. Minister we and I say MP we obekaya. Ono no ni Amaro Shako nya issue na nsem ho se wo de Amaro beko court because Amaro akwa expose galam say ho nsem bi no wabone din ni ade bi. Yes MP we ya ono nko mo ne yedi. 1. Obesha asia kasa no say I'm an MP from Ashanti region. 1. Wagu Asante man nyina ni mo ase. Honorable Yakubu wagu Asante man nyina ni mo ase. Ne kasa na okasa ni wagu Asante man nyina ni mo ase. Enye kasapa na oka ye no infomso wo nipa ho megitum ye betumi abasa e ya agro no wodi. But one thing that this honorable member of parliament wasn't realizing is Kwabena tetembre na agro bi na ne edi ne kan ne nye bi ne wu ene institutions adoso ene enyo protecting koda no e wo society mu na doso. It is one hwe wano kasa ya obekwa kwotwa amaniyem MP ni wagu ye ni mu ase wagu Asantema ye ni mu ase Wagu asantema, wagu ni colleagues anima ase. Parliament as a whole wagu womu nyina anima ase. This MP. Now you know, in any serious jurisdiction, anka MP way, se Ghana Parliament also come release statement bi aba bonten and now onwa MP no ko resign. And can you say they let her bonten say wo patch for what? Wo patch for what? And listen carefully. Opeso who say video no nya gro na papa ni di. MP no Yakubu no nya gro na odi a tie nie. Honorable Yakubu, enya gro na odi. Me ba be kire wase die nti America sa. One, osase se okasa no. Okasako camera ne call baby a girl no one side no. E ma be brain na ejina ho. Enkoda be brain less than 11 years enkoda. E na wo mujina nkola ne doso ma be brain. Beautiful young ladies e na wo mujina ho. Die ntina minister no akoda no ojina line 3 o se line 4 nim. Ojina crowd ni mfimfini otimi appointing ne say you are beautiful. Wunyina meware. It means all kasa ni nyina na kura na all I know. See, let's be truthful. At the end of our time, in any serious country, this guy should not continue to be a member of parliament. In any serious country. And so what was so what not Ghana your parliament. Baby ya shemra, we be shemra ma yemubi. See, some of these things you say and then people get hurt. You say and then people say it is bitter. People say that you have issues with them. No, we don't have issues with anybody. But we have to tell them the truth. No, Kurana is what we need to tell them. You are a member of parliament. If you don't know, you don't have to do these things. Me who say what the apology letter be about bontain. Me time Kurana me person me kind. Was it way a normal practice be a what Dagomba community near he be more. It's in a no free say. Wow, Jesus Christ. This is an MP. Where your MP? Where your MP? Nimpesu aso. Washan koda nyina aso. Where your MP? Na kroma ni yemfa ni yome serious. Nanka besi time amene wo ka say parliament wo mo mfa krata bia ma bonte se wo mo dipa wo mo hwensem hu na wadi na bonte wo mo mfa krata bia mai. Now you think we are serious as a country? We are not, because these guys will continue to misbehave and they will get away with it all the time. Na your parliament ye to aba mo bi tam ye ballot box adidi dwane no asa betina ho asa be shemra na me ye to aba na me ye general election me ko tam ballot box di dwane a he be bobi tuo ye chime so ha me mpie bi, but wo mo ye in parliament. You see, some of these things you say and then people say that penny panasem ni adia. But no krene say we penyini. You don't have to do that.
Obet machere wajune edi amame. Ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.